Alright, I wanted to talk about a product that I just picked up for my garage. It's a lighting system called M.P.I, which stands for multi-point illumination. It's an all LED lighting system. The best part about the product for me is it plugs directly into the pre-existing light fixture. So that's the main hub there, and as you can see right over there is a LED pod, and there's 4 of those pods that you can position anywhere you want throughout the room. For me, I have it in my garage. It's great for me to work on my bass boat, tie on lures, organize tackle, things like that. I'm going to put a before and after picture on there for you so you can see the difference it made. Really, really good product. Check it out.